Introducing Craft Your Life Project Kit Garden Whispers. This includes 2 beautiful outline images and lots of beautiful sentiments for your project. We're going to check out the layering guide. The first thing we see are these 2 full-size A2 card examples with the supplies used on the back. You'll also see the inks used to create the image shown for both of the images, and the inks will also be shown in all of the stencil openings as you work your way through your stencils. So a great resource in the layering guide. Lots of inspiration and help layering together your stencil set. And speaking of the stencil set, we have a beautiful 5-piece layering stencil set this month for you to help you layer in those outline images and create gorgeous projects. The next thing we'll have a look at is the die set. So it will cut the 2 outline images as well as the bolded sentiments. Plus it has the word blessed with a shadow. Absolutely gorgeous. Such a delicate cut and so pretty. We also have the 3D embossing folder, and you can use your stencils with this, just showing you a finished image of that there. And that's our kit for the month. I'm so excited to get started working with this with you. I have my 9x12 mat, and I've put it into place holding with satin masking tape. We're on stencil 1A1, and we're using a pink diamond ink. I'm going to quickly sneak to A3 and fill in that little bud since we were working with our pink diamond there. Now at the bottom of stencil number 1, we are going to use Pinkalicious, and that's going to be for section A2. And there is a line in the center showing you where to stop working. It's nice when it's divided out for us. And again, I'm just going to go in and fill in that little petal A4, and that's going to be with Pinkalicious. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 2. We're going to get that aligned, use our satin masking tape to hold it into place, and we're going to go ahead and use Rubelite on this whole stencil. I do love having a stencil where I can just add color and not have to worry about going over those lines. Sometimes I do tend to worry about that, but I am very grateful for all those lines to help. Now we're going to move to stencil number 3, B1, and we're going to be using Minty Mint with this stencil. And we are back to our lines, so be careful where you're blending on this stencil. We'll move to B2 on stencil number 3, and that's going to be with Jade ink. Once we finish that, we'll move to C1, and we're still on stencil number 3. We're going to be using Mango Smoothie ink for the centers here, and I'm just holding that piece on the top flower because it is delicate. Next, we're going to move to stencil number 4, and we're going to move on to B3. We'll be using Eucalyptus for the ink color on this one. And again, this stencil is divided, so we have lots of different sections to work with on this, so just be careful when you're blending. We will be going to B4 with Forest Fern on stencil number 4 there. And finally on stencil number 4, we're going to do C2 with the gorgeous chamomile ink. And that's going to finish off this arrangement for us. Next, we'll move to our little flower, and we're going to begin on stencil 5 with D1, and that's with Sea Breeze. We will just slide over a little bit for D2 with Tide Blue ink. Next, we're going to align D3 on stencil 5, and we're going to use Firefly for our first set of leaves on this particular arrangement. And finally, on stencil 5, we're going to go to D4. This is going to be with Grass Field. This is going to give us some nice contrast to those firefly leaves we just did, and it is going to finish off this arrangement for us. So beautiful and so easy with these wonderful stencils. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft Your Life Project Kit Garden Whispers. Here you're going to see some inspiration from our amazing designers using this set. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit Garden Whispers, and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.